Hey everyone, what's up? Today in this video, I will show you how to turn your TP-Link router into a network storage server. Let's start the video. Step 1. Make sure your TP-Link router has USB ports to connect your storage device. Step 2. Now, plug the USB storage device into the USB port of the TP-Link router. Step 3. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the TP-Link router login page. Enter the default username and password, then click Login. Step 4. Once logged in, go to USB port settings and click on folder sharing. Enable the USB storage sharing option and save your settings. To access your storage, copy this link. Go to your computer's home screen, press Windows+, or to open the Run dialog, paste the link there, and press Enter. Your shared files will appear. If you want to access USB drive remotely, enable the FTP server option in the USB settings. Set up a strong password to keep your files secure. Then, use an FTP client like FileZilla to access your files remotely from anywhere. That's it. Your TP-Link router is now a network storage server. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.